Okay, today our GMC Acadia video, we're going to work on the tire pressure sensor, realigning them after I've rotated the wheels. What it says is take your key and put it in and turn it to the accessory position, and then simultaneously hold the lock and unlock buttons. And once that happens, you're in learn mode after the horn chirps twice, and the left front light will come on. Increase the pressure for 8 to 10 seconds and wait to hear the horn chirp. And that's the left front, right rear, left rear. And you go right around that, and then once the IDs have been learned, you get another double horn chirp. So let's give that a try. I have the key in the accessory position. Now we're in learn mode. So let's see if we can get this tire increase 10 seconds. Got my left front headlights on. I did increase that a lot. Oh, we got it. Nice. Now this headlight's on. We'll do the same thing over here. See that? Lights on. And you can wait anywhere between up to 30 seconds after you've increased the air pressure. Now, it worked. Now we're going to the right rear. And the light is on back here. Okay, I've done the last rear tire, and the rear tail light's on the driver's side. Now we're done. Now I need to check the pressure because I just increased it a bunch in all the tires, and I'll just put them back to 35.